Welcome you in bio class. I am going to explain you circulatory system in cockroach. You have studied in the previous classes. There are two types of circulatory system. One is open type and other is closed type. In open type of circulatory system, blood flows through open spaces and channels. These open spaces and channels are called lacunae, sinuses, and channels. The open spaces are called lacunae, sinuses, and channels. Blood vessels open in these spaces. So blood comes direct in the contact of tissue. In the open circulatory system, blood is coming direct in the contact of tissue, or organs of the body. In the closed circulatory system, blood is flowing through the blood vessels. Blood is not coming direct in the contact of tissue of the body, because from the heart blood is coming into the artery, artery to arteriole, arteriole to capillaries, capillaries to venule, venule to vein, and vein again bring the blood into the heart. But here in the cockroach is open circulatory system. So there are three open spaces, that is sinus. One is pericardial. So this open space is the pericardial. This is the perivisceral, and this one is called perineural. So these are the three open spaces in the circulatory system of cockroach. The heart is present in pericardial sinus. So there are heart in the pericardial sinus. Heart consists of elongated muscular tube. So if you see the structure of the heart of cockroach, it consists of like this muscular tube, and this tube anterior region is aorta and posterior region is called pulsating heart, and this pulsating heart has opening. These openings are called ostia. This region is called pulsating heart. So like this, in the pericardial sinus, see 13 hearts are present. So these are the structure of heart. From this I take one. These are structure of heart. In this opening is, that is ostia. This portion is called aorta, and this region is called pulsating heart. So like this there are 13. This is 1, 2, 3. So in this you can count from the back side. This is the 1, 2, 3, 4. Again 5, 6. So like this 13 hearts are there. Each chamber of heart is communicated to anterior side by the aorta. The blood is the hemocoel. What blood is here? This blood is hemocoel. And it contains a hemocoel consists of colorless plasma and hemocyte. Hemocoel or blood of the cockroach consists of colorless plasma and hemocyte. Blood of the cockroach is called hemocoel. Now you see their blood how is circulated. The blood in the aorta runs from the posterior. So this is the posterior side, and from the posterior side blood runs in the aorta and it comes to the anterior, and in the anterior region there is head sinus. This is the head of the cockroach. It is coming in the head, and from there blood is coming into the pericardial sinus and perineural sinus. Again from the perineural sinus blood passing into the pericardial, and from the pericardial it will pass into the from the perineural pass into the perivisceral, and from the perivisceral it pass into the pericardial through the ventral diaphragm. And again when blood is coming in the pericardial sinus, this is the pericardial, in this heart is present. So blood will enter through the ostia in the pulsating heart, then from the pulsating through the aorta it will pass into the other. So from posterior to anterior, there in this pericardial sinus there are 13 hearts are present in this region.